Okay, now we are going to solve the real problems. Okay, so problem number one, we will find this. Okay, so first problem is these problems are quite easy. These types of problem will not appear in GRE, I hope, but for my practice I will continue. I will cover all the problems from here. I always want to complete all the books every single with every single page. That's why I am doing these types of math. So now 19 multiplied by 5. What does it mean? You need to multiply this. So 9 multiplied by 5 means 45. 5 and 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 plus 4 means 9. Then number 2, 39 minus 25 minus 17. So 39 is here, minus 25 minus 17 means 8. So 39 minus 8 minus 8 equals to 30, 31. Number 3, 17 multiplied by 6 plus 3 multiplied by 6. So 17 multiplied by 6, I think this one is 102 plus this one is 18. So our answer will be 120. Then number 4. Number 4 will be 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2 divided by 2. 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 2, and here this one will be 3 multiplied by 1 means 3. Then number 5, 15 multiplied by 3 divided by 9 means here, so 15 multiplied by uh, 15 multiplied by 3, and this division will be reverse with the help of multiplication, and this will be 1 by 9. So our answer will be 3 multiplied by 9. 3 means 9, and this one, this 15 will be cut down by the help of 3. So this will be 5. Then number 6 will be 9 minus 5 minus 4 minus 2. Here my answer will be this one is sorry, 9 minus 5 means 4, right? So 9 minus 5 means 4, minus 4 minus 2 means 2. So this one is 2. Then number 7 will be 14 minus 3, 4 minus 6. So 14 minus 3 multiplied by here minus 2, that's why 14 minus plus 6, 20. Okay, now I am going to solve number 8. Number 8. So 8 is 6 divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 12 divided by 3 means 4. So this one 6. Then number 9 will be minus 5 multiplied by 1 divided by 5. So this one will be minus 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 by 5. This and this will be cut down. This will be minus 1. Then number 10. 10 minus 3 plus 7 divided by minus 4. So this will be 4 and this will be minus 4. So our answer will be minus 1. Then number 11 will be here 4 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by minus 1. So 12, 24. Then number 12 is 5 minus 4 bracket and 3 minus 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 1, 1. So 5 minus 4 minus this one with 2 bracket and 5, and here 5 minus 2 means 3. Now I am going to solve number 13. So 13 number will be here 13, 7 minus 6 plus 2, 7 minus 8 means minus 1. Okay, now I am going to solve number 14. So 14 number is 7, 7 minus 6 minus 2. So 7 minus 4 means 3. Then 15, number 15 is minus 4 multiplied by 5 minus 12 divided by 2 plus 4. What does it mean? It means minus 20 minus 12 divided by 6. So minus 20 minus 2, this means minus 22. Then number 16 will be minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 plus 6 by 3 minus 5, this one. So minus plus 6 plus 2 plus 5. So this will be 7, 67, 30. Okay, now I'm going to solve number 17. Number 17. 17 will be minus 12 multiplied by 2 divided by minus 3 and plus 5. Okay, so this one will be minus 24 divided by minus 3 plus 5. This one will be 8 plus 5 means 30. Then I'm going to solve which one? 17, 18. 6 multiplied by 5 plus 14 divided by 7. So this will be 30 plus this will be 2, that means 32. Then 19. 19 number means 3 square divided by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 2. It means, sorry, this is not 3 square actually. This is square 32. So this will 32. So 32 divided by 4 plus 12. So 32 divided by 16 means 2. Then here I am in number, which number? Number 20. 20 means minus 10. Then this sign is minus 3 square, that means minus 10 minus 3 square means 9, means minus 19. Then 21. 21 number is minus 5 square, means this minus here 25. Then 22 number means 2 cube by 2 means 8 by 2 means 4. Then 23 number will be minus 2 cube by 2, minus 8 by 2 means minus 4. Then 24 is 3 square multiplied by 24 divided by 2 cube. That means 9 multiplied by 24 divided by 8. Then this one, that will be 27. Then 25. 25 means 36. 36 divided by 2 plus 2 square multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 plus 2. Right? Then if I solve this one, then 36 divided by 2 plus 2 square means 4. Then 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6. 6 and 6 will be cut down and our answer will be 36 multiplied by 4 means 1144. Okay, now I'm going to solve number 26. So here number 26 will be root 6 square plus minus 3 cube, means 36 square. This will be minus 27. Then 6 minus 27. 6 minus 27 means minus 21. Then 27, number 27 is 5 cube minus 5 square, means 1 to 5 minus 25 means 100. Then 28 number will be root over 81 minus root over 9 means 9 minus 3 means 6. Then 29 number means root over 16 plus 4 multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by which one? This will be in 20 number, if sorry, divided by minus 2 whole square. So our answer will something like this one. This will be 4 plus this one is 8 multiplied by 4 means 32, and this will be divided by 4. So 46 by 4 means 9. Then number 30. Here this is number 30. Then 3 plus minus 2 cube, then 2 square minus, then 3 square. And this will be 3 minus 8 whole square minus 9. Then this will be 25 minus 9 means 16. Then it will be 31. Number 31 means 4 cube minus 4 square. This one is 64 minus 16, and our answer will be 48. Then 32. 32 means 5, its power is 2 plus 1 plus 25. This will be 5 to the power 3 plus 25. Then this will be 1 to 5 plus 25. This means 150. Now I am going to solve 33 number. 33. So 33 will be minus 2 cube, then minus 5 square plus minus 4 cube. This will be minus 8, minus 25, then minus 64. Then this will be minus, now if I calculate this one, 8 minus 6, 9 and 8 means 17, and 6, 8 and 1, 9 minus 97. And if I calculate 34, 63 by 3 square its cube divided by what, 7. So this will be 63 divided by 9 its power is cube divided by 7. This will be 7 cube divided by 7 means 7 square means 49. And lastly 34, and here 35. Here this one is 35. 35 will be 5 multiplied by 1, and here 5 multiplied by 2 plus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 4. If I take common 5 from here, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 5 multiplied by 7 and then 36. Number 36 means 4 divided by 9. It means 3 to the power 4 means 81 divided by 9 root over, then it will 9 root over, then 37. 37, 3 multiplied by 7 square means 3 multiplied by 49 means 147. Then 38. 38 means 4 square, 3 minus 1 minus 19 plus 4 minus 2. Then our answer will be, this will be 60 multiplied by 2 minus 19 minus 8. Then this will be 32 minus. So our answer will be 5. Then 30, 38, 39. So 3 plus 7, 5 minus 3, and here 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4. The answer will be 10 multiplied by 2 divided by 1 multiplied by 1 means 20 by 1 means 20. And here last number 1, 3, last 3 multiplied by 99 minus 2 multiplied by 99 minus 1 multiplied by 90. So if I take common 99, then 3 minus 2 minus 1, then 99 multiplied by 0, it will be 0. So our drill problem set 1 is completed. Thank you so much.